Hi, this is Faiza Shajil from Gato the Sugar Art Studio. Today I will show you how to make a semi-wire daisy flower. It is specially designed for the beginners and for those who want to make the flowers in a quicker way or they are in a hurry to do that. Okay, for that we need white and yellow gum paste and rolling pin, these daisy flower plunger cutters, and this center mold, flower mold, and flower former, thin and thick foam pads, Dresden tool, ball tool, pen knife, plier or wire cutter and nose plier, and floral tape. So let's get started. Okay, so first I will take 20 gauge wire and I will cut it at an angle like this. Then with the nose plier I will first make a loop like this and then keep on going in rounds to make more loops. See, now I will hold the wire from down and with the other hand I will make it straight and then press it here to fix it. You can see first we will make a loop like this. Okay, I will show you now the right way and the wrong way of making the center. Take the yellow gum paste, put it inside the mold and remove the excess. Now take it out by pushing the sides outward. You can see the impression on that. Now you have to put the wire inside. So if you want to put it now inside like this and pinch it from the back, all the impression will be gone because of your touching on the other side. So this is the wrong way. Now I will show you the correct way. Of making the center of daisy flower. Take the yellow gum paste, make a ball, put it inside the mold, and this time do not remove the excessive part. Take your Dresden tool and make a hole in the center. That should be wide enough so the wire can go inside. Now dip your wire, remove the excessive glue, put it inside like this. Now from the sides pinch it while it is still inside and make it flat from the top as much as possible. Now you remove it from the mold. This way the impression from the mold will remain intact. Just pinch it from the back and let it dry for some while. Take your floral tape because it's wide enough, so I have cut it from the center. Stretch it to activate the glue. Start covering your wire. Push it up. Now the center is complete. We will move on to the flower petals. I have rolled my gum paste to 1/8 inches thickness. Now I will use the big daisy plunger cutter, and I will first press it, and then I will go in circles without picking it up. Okay. It will give a clean cut. Now take your smaller plunger and cut out the petals. Okay. Now with the ball tool on your foam pad, just thin out the petals. It will make the petals longer as well. Now take your resin tool and draw on it as the shape of the petals are going. One line in the center and two on the sides. Now I will take my flower former and put it on that. Now take the smaller petals, take your pen knife and make cuts on the sides of the petals. Just be careful not to cut all the way through the petals. Now again, first use the ball tool to thin out the petals. And with the Dresden tool, just you have to push it outward, and while twisting it like this. Only one line in the center. It will give the movements to the petals. Okay. Now take glue, put a little bit in the center, and put the smaller petals on the bigger ones, but make sure they go in between the bigger petals. Now put them on the thick foam pad and then press it in the center only to give it shape. Put it on your flower former. Put a little bit of glue in the center. Take your flower center and push it through your flower and let it dry completely before you use it. So here is the flower, daisy flower, and you can make it very easily. It's very easy for the beginners. It is semi-wired. if you go to advanced level, then you have to make each petal wire, but this is the quickest way I found and I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.